Are you seeing a blinking or flashing red LED on your Beats Flex wireless earphones? Whether they're fresh out of the box or you've been using them for a while, or the light's been flashing even when it's on charge? Well, don't worry. We'll break down what it means and what you can try to fix this issue all by yourself. Now, the blinking red LED means either of the two things. One, the battery is critically low. Or number two, when the battery is critically low, you try to turn it on but pressed too long on the power button and it went into pairing mode, showing this flashing red LED instead of white flashing LED. And number three, when it's critical in battery, maybe you try to reset it and it's showing a red LED instead of white flashing LED. So in either case, just plug it into a charger. If it's on charge and even after that, it still keeps showing this blinking red LED, you should make sure the charging tools like the cable, the adapter, the power source, all are functional. If you think it's needed, you can replace the cable, the adapter, you can change the power source, or if you're using a multi-socket, change the port, just to ensure proper charging. Apart from that, you can also charge it through a smartphone, a power bank, an iPad, tab, or even with a laptop. And just in case, you can also untangle the cable, so it can receive the signal properly. If it's properly charged, the red light will go away. If you think your Beats Flex got stuck while it's resetting, just press on this power button, turn it off, wait for around 5 to 6 seconds, and then press once on this button, turn it on, and see if the red light goes away. Now if it wasn't stuck on reset, but it just keeps showing this red blinking LED no matter what, sometimes this might happen for minor software glitch that a reset itself can solve. Press and hold this power button and this volume down button near the Beats logo together. Keep holding it down for 8 to 10 seconds while it shows, bear with me, red flashing LED. And in a couple seconds, it will start flashing white LED. That means good news, it's on pairing mode, you can just go ahead and pair it with the device of your choice. If there is no serious hardware issue, which I hope not, the red flashing or blinking LED will go away. Thanks for watching.